and you will get everything free here. You can see everything is $0 now. To try that, let me click one of it. Let me click on first one. Wow, this is crazy. Then click on next one and next one. Wow. Hey, hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to hack Monopoly Go and get unlimited dice rolls and money, and everything is free. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. To do that, you need to tweak some settings and also you need to install an app. First, go to settings, then go to general, then click on about and check your iOS version. If it's not Adobe iOS 12, then click on software update, and from here you can install the latest version of iOS. So make sure you have the latest version. Then go back and go to background app refresh and check all of this should be green, and click on background app refresh. If it's turned off, make sure to click Wi-Fi and cellular data. Go back, then go back and go back again and go to battery. Then make sure the low power mode is turned off. Then go back. Now everything is ready. You need to go to your browser. You can use any browser you want. I am using Safari. Go to your browser, then type this. Then you will find a page like this. Now you can directly install from here, and also you can download from search. Type here and search Monopoly. Okay, so now you can install it from here. Click on it, scroll down and click on download. Okay, it is downloaded. Now you need to click on allow, then close. To activate it, go to settings, then general, scroll down and click on VPN and device management. Then click on Monopoly Go mode. Now click on install, type your passcode, click next, click install again. Now click on done. Now go to home. As you can see, here is the new app here, Monopoly Go mode. Now open it. You just need to click on mode menu and you will get everything free here. You can see everything is $0 now. To try that, let me click one of it. Let me click on first one. Wow, this is crazy. Then click on next one and next one. Wow, that's how you can get unlimited money, dice rolls and everything for free in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching.